Hello and welcome to this new Business Tools video tutorial. In this episode, we are going to see how to create a new ad campaign. With Business Tools, you can create campaigns autonomously from the backend or allow your users to create campaigns and submit them for revision by creating an ad campaign submission page. In the previous episode, we've seen how to enable the ad slots from the customizer. So once done, we are ready to create our first campaign. To create a demo campaign, we are going to use the demo contents which we previously downloaded from the Pro.radio shop. The zip file contains a folder with all of the test banners that we can use to create our test campaign. From the left menu, let's create Add Campaigns, Add New. In this dropdown, you can choose a user as partner, or let's set a name for the campaign, start date, and an end date. After the end date, the campaign is going to self-unpublish. Here you can set a static link where the banners are going to point to. These two fields are optional and are just for internal usage. You can use them to set a contact phone or email address of your customer. Under the general options, we have all of the ad slots. You will see here the ones that you enabled in the customizer. Each ad slot can have two options, image or HTML. Image allows you to upload a banner. Let's get the banners that we downloaded from our demo zip and let's upload them. This will make it much easier to understand how Business Tool works and where are the location appearing. As you can see, the name of the location is available here. And for some ad slots, we can as well upload a mobile version. Let's click Publish and let's see if we see the ad slots in the front end. In this case, the ad is displaying already straight away. There are cases where you may not see the ad. They can be blocked, for instance, by your browser ad block. This is why we recommend, while you work on Business Tools, to disable your browser ad block. If you have test mode enabled, banners and front-end submission form are not available, so only administrators are seeing the banners. Let's make a test by using an incognito window, and as you can see, there is no ad available here. If you want to test your Business Tools integration, test the ad slots before going live, make sure to have this checkbox enabled. But if you start selling campaigns and want your banners to be visible for your visitors, of course, disable test mode and save. Once done, banners will be visible for everybody. My recommendation is, when you first try Business Tools, keep enabled the test mode and create a test campaign by uploading all of the banners on all of the ad slots. Now we can reload the page, and as you can see, all of the banners are appearing. As you saw, it's extremely easy, and if you want to add some JavaScript, AdSense code, affiliation, Amazon affiliation code of any other sort, the great advantage of Business Tools is that you can just click HTML and this will allow you to code your banners without touching anything of the source code of the theme, without breaking the theme, without breaking your website, and in a fully Ajax navigation compatible fashion. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.